In this tutorial, what we're going to look at doing is just updating some of the text on the website. So we'll look at just updating some of the standard text, and we'll also look at updating some of the text on the rates pages, for example, which is a little bit different with the formatting, as we can see there. And now, because we've already logged in, you'll see up the top here now, we've got this other option for this navigation bar here. We've got edit page or add new, and we've got this other one here that says dashboard. I just want to show you something now, just how we can change the text on a page easily. We can navigate to the particular page that we want to change the text on. So just say, for example, we click on location and we scroll down here and we decide that we just want to update some of this text on the website there, for example. It's nice and easy because we have logged in. We just click edit page and that will take us to the administration part of the website. And if you've used anything like been editing a Word document before, it's pretty very similar to that. And I'll just show you a few little things here. We notice here at the moment, we've got this little toggle toolbar. So let's just click that, and that just allows us some other formatting options for when we're editing the text. And it's pretty straightforward. Just say, for example, we wanted to delete this text here. We just highlight it and click delete. And what we've done there, we've modified the text, but we haven't made that public yet, because over here on the right hand side, you'll see this blue button here that says update. So for example, if we clicked update, now that would go live and people would see that on the internet who are looking at your website. What you can do is another option here beforehand is preview changes. So you've got this little button here that you can click on the right hand side there, and then we scroll down and you can see there that what it will look like when we update that text. And because that's not what we want to do, because that's live text, I'm just going to paste that back into the page, and I'm just going to click update just to double check that it hasn't been changed in any way. So that was pretty straightforward for modifying text on the page. You can just cut and paste text in there. And if you are cutting and pasting from, say, for example, a Word file and it's got some formatting already done to it, you need to, when you go to paste that into here, is use this text option. And the reason why we're doing that, just so it strips out any existing formatting, because when you do that, actually it brings across some additional HTML code which we don't want to bring into the website. So just a reminder there, if you are cutting and pasting from another file or whatever it may be, always paste it as text, and then you can come in and format it if you need to be. Say for example, we needed this here to be a heading 2, we just select it and click heading 2. And if we need to go back to a paragraph, we just select it and bring it back there. Or if you needed to just highlight this and make it bold, you could do it that way. So let's just, as it's selected, click that, it undoes it. So let's just go back to the website. Now we want to navigate to another page. Actually, we can do that from the administration part now that we're in here. So on the left hand side, you can see this option here that says all pages. And it will take us over to all the pages that we've got in the system. And we're going to look at changing some of the rates text. So we'll go in here in accommodation rates, and we'll just click on edit. And you can see here, let's have a look at what it looks like in the administration part. It's just in this bullet list, and then you'll see that the actual pricing is created bold. And here we've just got this as bold and that as a heading 2. So if you did need to change, say for example, just the pricing, you could come in here, you could just modify it to your new price, just making sure that it retains its boldness. And the reason why there is just because we'll view the page, leave page. So once we format those particular ways, you'll see it takes on this new whole visual look on the front end of the website. And that was that bold, that was the bolding, which made it bright red and sit to the right. And you can see the heading 2 there, which is low, going to go over this formatting of a textured underneath dotted line. So that is pretty much it for when you need to update some of the text on the website. Those few little things was, if you're cutting and pasting, just make sure you paste it in as text, and you've got that option in the administration part there on the right hand side here. You can just click on text, and when you need to format it, you can just click it back to visual, and then you can create a heading 2, heading 3, or a bold or italic as you need to be, or make bullet lists. And that is pretty much just the basics of updating text on the website. So if you've got any questions, yeah, please ask.